This is the 7th grade worksheet for lesson 24, and I'll be covering it. First part, Bart wants to buy at least 50 fruit snacks for Valentine's treats. One fruit snack pack contains 6 pieces. Write an inequality for the least amount of fruit snacks Bart will need to buy. So each pack contains 6 pieces. So there will be 6 pieces times x, which would be the amount of packs. And he needs to buy at least 50 of them. But we're trying to find the least amount. So that means this will have to be greater, because also it also says by at least. So at least means that this is the minimum, so it can be 50 or it's greater than 50. So if we look at our answer choices, this answer is the best answer. Solve for x in the expression. We just subtract 0.1 first to get 1.4x equals 2.8, then divide it by 1.4 on both sides, you get x equals 2. But then, sorry, not x equals 2. So you write so x is less than 2, so it's D. 3. Mainland traveling basketball team has 5 players. There are 37 beds in the en route motel. Write an inequality for the greatest number of basketball teams that can be settled in the motel. So here we have 5 players, right? 5 teams with we have basketball teams with 5 players, and there are 37 beds. So 5, it should be 5x. And it's just the greatest number, so that means this will be less than the bed, so or greater too, like this, because when you write it, it has to be like this, and since the greatest number, it will be a greater than sign or equal to. And if we look, C is our answer. How many football teams can be created out of 50 players if each football team consists of 11 players? So here we just divide 50 divided by 11, and 11 goes into 54 times, so 11 times 4, it's 44. Subtract, you get 6, so your remainder is 6. That means that you can only create 4 teams, so the answer is A. 5, try this one on your own. I'll give you the answer. It's just like number 2. Actually, I'll just do it. So first you want to subtract 0.4 on both sides. So then you get negative 0.5x is greater than 2.6. Then you divide both sides by 0.5. Sorry, negative 0.5. You get x equals, x is less than negative 5.2. So when you divide it by negative, you flip the sign. So then if we look, it should be this answer, D, because this matches our answer. So for 6, the Mary's grocery bill is $46. She only has banknotes of $10. What is the least amount of banknotes she will need to pay for her groceries? This is the same problem as number 4. So she has $46, and she only has banknotes of $10. So 46 divided by 10. 10 goes into 46 4 times. You subtract, you get 6. So your remainder is 6. But so the answer should be A. Wait, according to my answer key it says B, but I'm pretty sure it's A. Solve the inequality 2x minus 3 is greater than 7. So here all you have to do, you want to isolate x, so you add 3 on both sides. 2x is greater than 10 divided by 2, you get x is greater than 10. It's just like solving, just like you're just solving for the variable, and just you have to put the inequality signs. Same thing for number 2, you get subtract 9 first. If 5y is less than or equal to negative 5 divided by 5. Here you don't change this sign, you don't flip it because you're not dividing by a negative. So you get y is less than or equal to negative 1. So yeah, try these ones on your own. I'll write down the answer. These are the answers, and just try to do them on your own and then see if, and just check with your answers. I'll do 7 to 8 now. So, sorry, 7 to 12. So, here we have 4 minus 2m is greater than 7 minus 3m. All we have to do is we want to move the variables to one side, so we add 3m to both sides. And subtract 4 on both sides to get rid of this 4. So that's negative 2m plus 3m, that's 1m. And then 7 minus 4, that is 3. So m is greater than 3. 8, let's try this one. So add 2 to get rid of it, and minus 17n on both sides. So 8 minus 17, that is negative 9n, is greater than 9, so that's just 9 plus 2, wait, that's 11. Then divide it by negative 9, you get n, flip the sign, is less than to 11, negative 11 over 9. This is the answer. Try 9 to 12 on your own. I'll write down the answer so you can check your work. And 10 is oops. So yeah, here's the lesson. Thanks for watching.